Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to use engineering symbols in scientific calculator. I am using Casio FX991EX calculator. Just follow the simple steps. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So let's begin guys. So as you can see, 5000 is shown as 5k and k is represented as 1000 and m is represented as million. So for this you need to first activate the engineering symbol mode. So you need to go to setup, click shift, setup, go to 4 as presented as engineering symbol, hit 4. First I will turn it off and show you how it works. Turn off engineering symbol mode. Now just I'm typing 5000 and hit equal and it will represent as 5000. Now repeat the same process, go to shift and then setup, go to engineering symbol and turn it on. Now the same number, I'm taking as 500k and it is represented at 500k, that is 500,000. Now let's go with million. 5 million just equal and it will show as 5m. That's how you can use engineering symbol in your scientific calculator. That's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.